Hey you guys, how y'all doing today? I'm trying to find my remote control. Okay, so today is a video of Doug doing his upside down pineapple cake. And so yeah, it's one of those videos where Doug's like, hey, come film. And I'm like, huh? So I'm really not ready. I'm looking a hot mess, and it's fine. It's okay. Y'all know I come to y'all normal, natural. Ain't no problem. I'm not always wearing, nobody's always wearing makeup. So we just here doing some couple cooking. I'm filming and he cooking. Y'all know he is the chef. So, but we'll go ahead about that story later. He's excited to tell y'all his story about why he started cooking and things like that. And so yeah, so just enjoy this video and go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and roll that intro.
Can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off. You got this motion, dance in slow motion. My eyes can't help looking at you.
Hey you guys, so we're about to get ready on this. The oven just preheated. We're about to get ready for this pineapple upside down cake. Okay. I know some people like, why is your husband cooking? Why does he do all the baking and cooking? He doesn't do all of it. I say about 95% he does. My husband is trained from the ages of 8, and he also got classically trained. I don't know. He got professionally trained at Johnson & Wales. Funny how story, little tidbit about us. When we first started to date, and I actually moved in with him and moved all the way up to New Jersey from Virginia, gained 40 pounds. Okay, so we have this thing about IHOP. I used to love IHOP pancakes. IHOP pancakes were my favorite. He was like, you do know I can make better pancakes than IHOP. And I was like, nah boy, no you can't. He was like, yes I can. And so for the first 3 months that we were together, that we lived together, he made pancakes for me every single day, just to prove that his pancakes are better than IHOP's. So he makes the crispy edges, as Tony Baker would say, like Cracker Barrel, the crispy edges. And yeah, he's flipping amazing. I do blame him sometimes for my weight gain, but I put it in my mouth, so I can't really be blaming him. But he cooks such good food, y'all. His food, you trying to heat up? His food is amazing. Yes, I did. It was cold.
Like Somalia in here.
It does not feel like Somalia. It's only 73. Let's turn that vent off up there. Close it.
I'm not gonna stand under that vent.
And there's a vent right there.
Well,
he's always hot. I'm always cold. Yin to yang. Literally, that's not gonna work. Oh, okay, it worked. Alright, so let me go ahead and get set up for this thing, and then yeah, we'll go ahead and have y'all cook. Before I speed this up, y'all do see that the cabinet doors are always open. I like doors closed. He likes doors open. That's all. Let me go ahead and speed this up, y'all. So if we ever do an update in the cabinets on the bottom, I want drawers. Cause all this up and down, that we're gonna get too old for that, y'all. He's 10 years older than me. He can't be doing this. His knees hurt. I know his knee is hurting. You can't. It's too much. Alexa, stop. So I got the eggs out. We got the water. We got the oils. Are you looking for the 6 one? The 9 one?
yes, the 9 one, the big one.
That is the big one.
No, we have a deeper one.
Right there? Forgot we had that big one. Alright, let me go ahead and
I'm thinking about, instead of doing like whole cakes, like what you did with the
mini cupcakes.
I was gonna take the almonds, roast them.
Who's cabinet, please?
I was gonna take the almond. We need to clean the cabinets, like scrub on.
Yes, I know. That's part of the getting ready for Christmas thing.
We ain't doing that tonight.
No, we're not doing that tonight.
I was gonna do like roasted nuts up. Come down here, put the cupcakes, put the cake mix on top of it, bake it, flip it out, just ice it, do decorations, and same thing with this. So probably get another pan like this, and we do 2 batches at a time. Instead of making one, a big cake, we do little individual things. It's a little cuter.
Okay. So you're not doing the one slice and then the
and this
cherry in there?
And this one I want to do one. I want to make it look like
Let me
that.
get behind here so you can look like you're looking at the screen.
But I won't have to do the I want to do up the brown butter mixture first. The brown sugar and
But talking to thing.
First, I'm gonna mix up the sugar, brown sugar, and butter for the base for the cupcakes. Okay.
He's so cute. You get on my nerves.
Alexa. Alexa.
All right, so I want to go ahead and officially introduce you to me. My name is Atoya, and my husband is Douglas, and we are Dat Family 5, and this is Atoya at Home. On today's video, Douglas is going to be making a pineapple upside down cake, and I really hope that y'all enjoy this video with us. Y'all know we do kind of vlog style here. If you're new to our channel, go ahead, don't forget, join the family and click the subscription box below. Make sure you click that thumbs up, and make sure that you go ahead and comment down below who you are and where you're from, and because I like talking to y'all. So, all right, I really appreciate y'all for everything that y'all have done thus far, and we can go ahead and continue with the video.
Since I've seen you, and I just can't forget, girl, gets worse. I spend all night trying to feel good, trying to forget about you. I can't forget about you. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know. My heart can only take so much before it falls down and hits the ground. I wanna love you, I'm not allowed. 'Cause if I hurt you, then we'll go down. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know,
All right, you guys. So he took that butter brown sugar mixture and put it on the bottom first, which is going to be the top of the cake. And now he's putting in the cherries and the pineapple slices for the pineapple upside down cake. So this is his first batch, and you know that always the first batch is always like a try error batch, but he should be good.
This year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Y'all like how he did that flip, don't y'all? I think I like it too. But anyways, thank y'all so much for clicking on this video and showing y'all support and joining our family. If you haven't yet, go ahead and click the subscription box down below. Go ahead and click that thumbs up if you like this video. Go ahead and ring that bell, a ding with the things on the side to get all the uploaded notification. This is 12 days of Christmas, and this is day 3. This is just a little idea for you for a little cake. Rather than having a full cake, you have little cakes, okay? So thank y'all so much for watching this video once again, and I hope y'all enjoy, for we are the family that loves life and having fun, and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. We will see you on the tube. Peace out, y'all. Love you guys. Good night.
These are the good times with you, baby. This year it's just gonna be you and